Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, my name is Mr. Church, and I'm here with, as you were just introduced, I'm one of the math teachers here. And I heard you guys were amazing mathematicians.
Yeah.
And you are? I'm glad. And I would like to do a little bit of math with you. Give me a thumbs up if that sounds okay. Awesome. Give me 2 thumbs up if you love math. Perfect. Give me 3 thumbs up if you want to go home. All right, well, I'll stay. Put your thumbs down.
No, I want to go home.
Sorry, rile them up. All right, so here's my math problem, and I need you guys to help me with it. Here, I have this problem. And here's the problem I have. So I need your eyes up on the board. Gloria has 11 cookies. She ate some cookies. Now she has 9 cookies left. How many cookies did Gloria eat?
Oh.
Hold on. Take a second to think.
I already know it.
Hold on. Here's what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to go back to your tables, and I'm going to pass out a sheet of paper. And I want you to show me your thinking. All right? And back to your tables.
He eat 2.
Why'd you put 2?
Because he eat 2, and that's how he equals 9.
How did you know it was 9?
Because I used these. I used the pictures. I draw my cruising, and I X 2 out. That means 2 eat.
Awesome. So I'm confused, though. Can you help me out here? How did you know to cross off 2?
Because 11 minus 2 equals 9.
But I don't see 2 anywhere in the problem.
That's why I just write it. That's why I write the problem.
What's your name?
George.
George. Thank you for sharing with me, George. Do you mind if I share this, how you did this with the class?
Yes.
All right, so hold on to it. You mind? Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, George, so hold on to it for right now, and then I'll call you in a minute, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, George. Catherine, do you mind if I ask you to share how you did yours?
2 equals.
You guys solved this problem. And I wanted to kind of share a few. So first, Catherine? Where's Catherine at? Catherine, would you mind sharing how you did the problem? Can I see your paper? Take a second and look at what Catherine did. Do they have partners?
Yeah, they go this way.
So with your partner on the carpet? Shoulder partner?
Peanut butter and jelly. Speedy wheels.
Bang.
What did Catherine do?
On to your partner. Talk about what Catherine did to solve the problem.
What did she do? What way? What do you mean it's kind of the same?
Because if you say 11 minus 2 equals 9, then that means 11 minus 9 equals 2. So it's the same as the other one.
What does he mean by that? What's a switchback?
It's a flip-flop.
What's a flip-flop?
It's like so you have like so if you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 you switch, then you have 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Interesting. I'm going to ask you guys to talk about that in a minute, okay? Bring it back together in 3, 2, 1. What did Catherine, what did Catherine do in this problem? What did she do here? What did she do?
She made 11 and crossed out 9
Why did she put 11 and cross out 9?
because she had 9 more.
What does he mean?
9 more. And so she had 2 left. That's how. Nope.
So where did she get these numbers from? And how did she represent it?
From his brain.
From her brain, that's where it came from.
I know. read the story and then after she minus that. She decided like which was the number. And she made her picture and crossed it out.
So why did she cross out those circles?
Because that's how many cookies she ate.
So when you said minus, I'm thinking subtracted, right?
Yeah, it's the track.
Okay, so I had 11 and I subtracted 9. And then how many cookies? So wait. But I'm confused. She crossed off 9 cookies?
But we need a class 2. So she flipped it.
She flipped it. What does he mean she flipped it?
Flip flop fast.
Hold on, what does he mean that she flipped it? Talk with your shoulder partners. What does he mean he flipped the fact? She flipped the fact. Ooh, that's a lot of F.
It's a flip flop fact.
The order.
Can I use your paper now? Flip flop fact. What does she mean you turn around the fact?
Like you turn around like the number.
Like I turn around?
No.
What do you mean then turn around?
No. You turn around the whole entire equation fact and subtraction fact. And you,
Turn around the whole equation.
it means like it's like she did it the flip flop. She switched it. I got one more change.
Change the.
She changed the order.
Change the order of the add-ins, or when we're subtracting.
I just saw that.
What's a flip flop fact? I can't even say it.
She flipped
And? What is it?
Like you have a number and like you switch parts of it.
Switch parts. What do you mean by switch parts?
Like they're switching numbers.
So, I heard change the order, right? So take your papers, put them flat on the ground.
I did all
I want to show you some. So voices off. What did George do? Talk with your shoulder partners. What did George do?
Look at George's and look at Catherine's.
What did George do? What do you mean he flipped around? Agree with that? Why did he do that? Why did he do that?
I did 11 minus 1.
What's your name? Antonio, will you share that? Okay, hold on. I got a few. Alright, so hands, voices off. Antonio and I were just having a little talk. Antonio, will you share what you just said to me? And I'd like everybody else to listen to what Antonio's saying.
Because George did that, because you can see when you get, well, she had 9 left, so you have to cross out to get the answer 9.
So why would he want to use minus 2? Why did he subtract 2 instead of doing subtract 9? Now, Antonio said it's easier to subtract 2 than it is to subtract 9. Why do you think that's easier? Why is it easier to subtract 2 than it is to subtract 9? What do you think?
Because 2 is lesser than 9.
And why is that easier?
Because, like, you're just taking away 2, so it's not that much.
And what happens if I take away 9?
You get 2. You get 2 because we know not just 1 equals 10. So we have one more that equals 11.
Awesome
That's why
job.
9 plus 2 equals 11.
So I heard flip-flop fact. I heard. What was the other one?
Friends of 10.
Turn around fact. Friends of 10. I hear all these. So here's what I'd like to focus that for flip-flop. I can't even say it.
Just call it turnaround.
F cubed for turnaround or all of that.
They like flip-flop.
I'd really like to use. I'd really like to use this word. Because that's a term that I think we can all agree on.
Oh, yeah.
Does that sound good?
I think that we've heard that word before.
Yes.
So no more flip-flopping or turning around or any of that. What's it called when I do that? Related facts. Awesome.
Don't add another number.
It's the same facts. They're related. So I can use my addition to solve my subtraction. Flipping it around to make it easier. Great job. All right, here's what I got next. So can we try this? Does that sound okay? Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to try using related facts. All right, most of you, I'll take it. Here's what I have. I have another problem. Take a look at this problem. Brian has some apples. His dad has 6 apples. Together they have 15 apples. How many apples does Brian have? And I want you to write a related fact to solve that problem. Interesting?
I will be interested to see how they solve this problem.
I too. All right, so I need voices off. Stand up quietly. Great job.
Brian have 15 apples. How many apples does Brian have?
Yep, you found
What's
the
that?
word. You sure did. Related fact. So show me the related fact. I want. Think of.
Can you show me a picture to prove that? Show me a picture to prove that. What did you do?
Oh yeah.
Why did you write it into a different, or that's a different sentence though, right? Why does that work? Can you tell me what you mean by it has the same numbers? What do you mean it has the same 3 numbers?
I don't like
But how did you know that it had 15, 6, and 9?
What do you mean?
How did you know that? You guys want to work on that? Think of a way to show me how you know that that's right. Sounds good?
I didn't even look at your
They have to be the same. So you were giving me an equal sum, because that's another way to make 15. But what would be a related fact?
You still have your sticker on here.
Awesome job.
Hey, Mr. Church, I finished. I did 6 plus 9.
So let's talk about it. All right, my first grade friends. Why do you think I chose Trinities? Take a voices off. Eyes on the board. Look at what Trinity's done. Go ahead and talk with your partner. Why do you think I chose Trinity's paper? And what's your name? If you're not sure, you say, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
You want to try? And see if you agree with someone else? You'd like to share. What do they think a related fact is? What's a related fact?
Related fact is like numbers what don't equal like a different number of those three numbers.
So what's three numbers that are put in different orders? So what is a related fact? Nothing sure. What's your name? McKenna. So what do you think a related fact is? Has the same numbers but in different orders. Excellent. So I have a question on something I've seen before. So I'm going to write up on the board. So I heard from you guys that it's the same numbers but in a different order. So I see different ones on here, so I'm going to put this. Because I don't see that one on here, and it's the same numbers and it's in different orders. Take a second and look at this.
No.
Hold on. If you do you disagree with me?
Yes.
Who disagrees with me?
No.
Just about everybody. That's the story of my life. So,
No.
if you disagree, why do you disagree with me? Or hold on, before I ask that question, answer that for a second. Let me tell you my reason for why I put this on here. I have the same numbers. Oh, wait. Hold on, I disagree with me too. My mistake. How about this? My mistake. There we go.
He had it.
Now, do you disagree with me?
No.
Oh, now I'm hearing yeses and nos.
Oh boy, think about that one.
No.
So here's my evidence. I have the same three numbers and I put them in a different order.
No.
So if you disagree, talk with your group. Why do you disagree with me?
I think the wrong numbers have